been waiting for chicken sashimi.
Good morning from Miyazaki, Japan. We are staying at this beautiful shipping container accommodation right in the middle of the forest in Miyazaki, and what a beautiful sight it is to wake up to. Just by the river, you can hear the water as it streams down the mountains, and it's just a full, calming, tranquil experience. So we're going to be here for 2 more nights, but today we're going to explore around this area, and it looks like an absolute marvelous day. Blue skies, just clouds rolling, kissing off the mountain tops, and it's a sight to behold. You just wouldn't expect this from Japan if you didn't know much about it. You just think it's just skyscrapers and cityscapes. It is more naturistic than people believe it to be, but wow. We just arrived at the Takachiho Falls. I don't think I said that correctly.
Takachiho Gorge.
Yeah, gorge. But as well, there's a train ride which you can take, and it goes around the mountains. It goes for 30 minutes, so we're booked 2 hours ahead. So we're going to explore the gorge right now. But what a gorge drive that was. That was 10 out of 10 drive.
Stunning.
Yeah, and it's a lovely, cracking day.
Not a
And
cloud in the sky.
No.
It's blue as far as the eye can see.
Yeah. But can't wait to check this whole place out.
Yeah.
Lots of nature and just so much green around here. It's amazing.
Oh, supermarket.
Oh yeah. Look at these stairs just going all the way up. So we're going to head further down.
おります川は岩戸川と言います。川の上流4キロほど行きますと天の岩戸神社や天の安川もございます。水面からの高さ105メートル、大阪の通天閣と同じくらいの高さですと、という適当にとって険しい坂道を登ってまいります。
お待ちください。出発3分後になります。Go on down.
The pattern. That's got to be something else. That's stunning. Holy crap. Look at the rock formation. It's definitely a full day event. You're not coming here for 5 seconds.
They'll use the running water and you pick up the buckwheat noodles, so you catch it. So it's the salmon over
We
there.
did that before. That's a sturgeon.
That's humongous. Oh, there's another one over there. Damn it.
Oh yeah. Whoa. You want to take a ride?
Nah. I'm happy just viewing from above. I think it's more beautiful from up above.
It is very beautiful from any angle, I think. Look at that. What an incredible experience that was at the gorge, and I usually don't like too touristy events and locations, but that is well worth it. It was decently busy, but well worth it. I've never seen any structures like that in nature. Just the rocks, the falls itself, the lighting, the ambience of the autumn leaves. Yeah, it's just a magical place. But it is the next day, and it's our last full day in this remote area. Look at it, it looks beautiful. Yeah, it looks absolutely stunning. Got an outdoor sauna, got the river going, and it's another beautiful day. So we're going to explore Miyazaki city itself, which is about a 90-minute drive from where we're staying, and it's going to be a beautiful cruise through the mountains, and hopefully today getting some of the famous Miyazaki beef and another few treats if we see any that catches our eye. But yeah, Japan, what a great, spectacular, aesthetic country. And the first thing we do is go to a family mart. We've got to get to know what items are in every city in family marts, but this one is absolutely stocked, and it's a few minutes before the restaurant opens, so we're going to have a sit down at a family mart. How cool is that?
No, it's great.
So I got a coffee, and because I'm going to probably have some alcohol, try this liver drink to see if it counteracts any hangover effects. But yeah, sitting down in family mart, great experience.
And the toilet here too.
Yeah.
It's behind us.
Yeah, some yakiniku. That egg looks terrifyingly good.
Yeah.
And it's only 2,000 yen. That's crazy.
That looks good, yeah. Must be new.
Oh
Like
yeah.
all the brand new business.
Ah.
Who's out the front?
Alright, this big shopping strip.
Okay.
Big shopping strip. It's like a full line or?
No, they're playing probably Pokemon.
Ah.
Tell?
Oh yeah. Yeah, they are playing Pokemon. That's crazy. Yeah, that looks good. So what's this one? Coffee shop. Look at all these menu items at a coffee store.
That's this place. 11:30 till. It's not a coffee shop.
Ah.
It's like maybe it's izakaya. Because it's like usually izakayas just have a whole bunch of shit.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's most likely an izakaya.
Yeah.
Well, the one we want to go to is that over there on the corner.
Cool. Yeah, it's probably quite similar. So
Yeah.
I think either way we'll have a good experience.
Yeah.
But huge. It looks like you can get everything.
Yeah, it looks really good. Is this the chicken that you're talking about?
Well, the what I'm talking about is the dish, which is called chicken namban.
I think that's chicken sashimi. I'm gonna have to get that.
Yeah. Well, they have Australian beef.
No, thank you.
I like how the Australian beef is still cheaper than Australia.
Yeah, it is too. That's crazy.
That is pretty crazy.
Yeah, let's get it. Let's go in. We've sat down at the izakaya, and because we're the first customers, we're treated to this private booth. How cool is this? And for foreigners, there's an iPad for you to select the English menu. But I'm very much looking forward to this. Obviously the Miyazaki beef, and I think I saw outside some chicken sashimi, which I definitely want to try. But let's see what's on the menu and order, and we'll show you guys what we're having today in Miyazaki izakaya.
Soy sauce.
Yep, confirm.
That's been added. There's also some sushi.
Yeah, it's quite a few things.
So this is middle rib kalbi with anchovies. It's huge menu.
Just got the sake. It's in the traditional box, so it overflows, which means they're giving you more than you asked for. Let's give it a shot. Oh, that's nice. It's light and kind of sweet, which that's what I love about sake. I'm not a big drinker, but this is probably my favorite drink in Japan, which you don't get in Australia. It's just the varieties of sake, and this one, very good, very light. The moment I've been waiting for, chicken sashimi. I'm really surprised about the presentation of this. Got the egg yolk, dip it in the egg yolk. That. And I think a bit of wasabi won't hurt. It's really light looking meat. Okay, it's probably a novelty, but let's go for it. It tastes like tuna, like raw tuna. I'm gonna have a piece without anything added. I was gonna say it tastes like chicken because it is chicken,
Yeah.
but it really doesn't have a distinct taste. It's interesting actually. Then we have some onions, and let's pack it with a bit of wasabi as well. Yeah, it's good, but nothing to write home about. Honestly, I think it's just a novelty. Alright, another dish, the beef tataki, which is just raw beef, and it's got a few little condiments on there, but this is the Miyazaki beef.
Oh, that colour is delicious. Look at that.
Yeah, look at the color of this. It's just bright red. It's got a few peanuts and shallots on there. Instant hit. You can taste that char grilled on the outside. Very beautiful beefy taste. That is not a novelty. That is delicious. Okay, we've got the fried fish. One of my favorite things in Japan or Asian countries is the way they do the fish. It's just completely the whole fish, and you get to eat everything, but they just lightly batter it, deep fry. Usually this fish has fish eggs inside. Let's see if this one does as well. No, if you love fish, you got to get this. It's very fishy, and it's got a nice aroma because of the deep fry. Oh, that's stupendous. Very good. So we've got the chicken naan bun here, chicken bum bum, but this is a dish with vinegar sauce and some mayonnaise on top. Tate on top, and it's deep fried as well, but it kind of looks like a lemon chicken in Chinese restaurants. But let's have a go. Look at that, it's just lathered with tartare. I love tartare sauce. That's steaming, that's just fresh. Oh man, that's beautiful. It's got like a sweetness to it, and the chicken is so juicy and tender. Wow. It's not crunchy, but I don't think it needs to be. It's just soaking in that flavor of the tartare and the vinegar. The vinegar is very light, but what the hit here is the chicken, the juices. It's just arrived, the Miyazaki beef.
You've tried to put the two together.
The Wagyu and the Miyazaki.
Yeah.
This is just typical Japanese presentation. Beautifully sizzling as it comes out, but they give you a nice little information brochure, should I say, where the beefs come from, what part of the cow it is. It's really interesting. But I can smell these aromas already. We ordered the fattiest cut. It comes to about 5,200 Japanese yen, which in Australia, that's an absolute bargain because you're not getting any of this quality for this price. So we've got the 200 grams, and that's honestly plenty if you're eating a fatty cut, and this is the fattiest cut. But let's go in for it raw without anything added. Look at that piece, just jiggling. Okay. Oh, you can tell this is going to be mouth melting. Oh. Wow. I'm speechless. That could be the best piece of beef I've ever eaten. It is so buttery. You can taste that umami just building. All I think it needs is a little bit of a dash of salt, and it is perfect. I know that's got all the condiments, but that is so flavoursome. Holy moly. Oh, I can already say it's well worth it. This is a treat. Wow.
Yeah. That is yum.
The sauce? So that and that.
Try that first.
Look at this fatty bit.
So fatty.
Sauce, glaze.
Yum.
Oh man.
Very good.
Oh.
Very
Chase
good.
it with a bit of wasabi. Astronomical.
Sent it to the stratosphere.
What a spectacular meal that was. And I gotta say, the beef is worth it. It's just levels of creaminess and meltiness that you just can't have with normal beef.
Yep.
But that came to about 10,000 Japanese yen, which I think is worth
Pretty
it.
reasonable considering it's Wagyu. A4, A5 Wagyu.
Yep.
You don't get that back home.
No. But yeah, this place looks pretty much like all the other malls. Outside that restaurant, it had like a beef marbling dictionary, just telling you all the history about marbling. It specifically said A5 Wagyu is very difficult to eat for one person, and mostly you can't do it if you're older. It says young with big appetite can finish. That was pretty interesting.
Saturday though.
Yeah.
Maybe everyone goes to the shopping centre or something, or maybe it only opens at night time.
Yeah. Japan seems like more of a nighttime-esque place where that's where everything opens.
Yeah, it keeps going over there.
Yeah.
That one smells really good. Like incense.
Yeah, that's incense. Oh, another scramble. Looks pretty fake. It's a fakey. That looks really real.
Yes, I was getting concerned. Can't be as bad as Vietnam.
Yeah.
Tiny cages
Ooh.
at the front.
That looks cool. Look at that little alleyway.
It's got a Brazilian.
Jekyll and Hyde.
It's got a Brazilian thing. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Shop.
I think you're talking about the Hong Kong bird market. That was pretty sad to see.
Yeah, that was sad, but also in Vietnam. All the shop fronts.
Oh,
they had
with
all
the-
tiny
yeah.
cages. They would literally thrive if they were in the wild.
Yeah.
Sweet shop. Candyland.
Yeah, not much open. Oh, that's a cool alleyway. Look at the
Yeah.
light filtering through.
Yeah. Whoa, what's going on over there?
What is going on? There's a little market. Maybe we'll go through there.
Nice.
We just tried the best Mandarin on earth.
On earth. But like we were showing that we were interested, we were looking at it, and without even asking, she just runs inside and grabs us one off the shelf each to
Yeah.
try, just so we could try it. Like we didn't even ask, which is so nice.
Did not regret it because that was one
Delicious.
hell of a Mandarin,
Yeah.
and had to buy some. And I think I'll have that for dessert tonight.
Well, it's only 490 yen for a whole
Yeah.
bag.
Yep, that is cheap.
And
That's absolutely-
that one's locally grown here in Miyazaki
Yeah.
City.
So we're trying the local produce.
Yeah.
So this is like a Saturday pop-up maybe?
Yeah.
Such a noodle.
Oh yeah. So they've got like the eggs and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So they do ramen there.
Ramen. This is like a yatai kind of thing. Oh, melon.
Oh, looks pretty good.
You want to try some?
No. Otherwise I'll be exploding.
I'll try some.
What?
That melon looks good.
This melon store caught my eye as we were walking past, and these are one of the melons that cost 3,000 yen at the supermarket. And I would want to get a whole melon, but I just don't know where I'm going to fit it. So the best thing is getting a cup with ice cream. You can also choose melon gelato or vanilla, but I love vanilla, so it slaps right on top of the melon. And let's go for this melon. It's like I'm running through a field of melons. And this is a freshly cut melon. I can see the guy in the back. He took a full melon from the fridge, cut it open, carefully crafted all the seeds out, and it took about 5 minutes to prepare. So it's not just some frozen stuff that you get pre-made. So, wow, that flavor, sweet, but it has this really aromatic flavor as you bite into it. Oh, you have to try it. Those $30 melons, it's something else I've not had in a melon. Wow.
I love the Christmas spirit here. There's a lot of Christmas stuff, even though I think they don't religiously celebrate Christmas.
Yes.
But I like their little ornaments, the little activities. Yeah, it's quite fun.
Henry Africa.
Henry Africa.
But yeah, look at them all.
All the lanterns. Whoa, that's a crap load of bars. How many is that, you reckon?
Many.
I reckon 1, 2, 3, about 40 bars.
But this place will probably be pumping tonight, I reckon.
Yeah.
Saturday night.
Well, it is 1:03 in the afternoon, I'm sure. Yeah, 12 hours later, it's going to be pumping.
Yeah.
Do you want to go to the back door extreme bar?
I don't really feel interested in backdoor extreme bars.
That's a big advertisement.
But it's all like casino style.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
Gambler.
Pretty cool, I'd say.
Yeah, but I'm not a gambler. I'm just not interested.
Oh yeah.
It's closed though.
So that's Aoshima.
Aoshima over there.
Yep. And that's the Devil's Washboard.
Well, I think that the tide is pretty high at the moment.
Yeah.
But when you go out, you'll be able to see it.
Ah.
But
So-
we're not out there yet.
I'm assuming he doesn't have washboard abs,
No, definitely not.
but it looks beautiful. Look at that. The festival. Little shrine. Oh, I can feel the little sprays of the ocean.
Yeah.
That's cool.
In between, there's a whole bunch of just random rocks. Make some sort of weird formation.
Oh, yeah.
That's why they call it the Devil's Washboard.
Yeah. So those rocks there?
Not those, but in between.
Yeah.
Might be able to see a bit more like before we get in towards the island.
Yeah.
This is more tropical.
Yeah.
From here, it is possible to walk around Aoshima.
When there's a soft serve cone, I'm going to get it. It's going to be as good as all others. And it is. Yeah, quite dense vegetation. Well, that was the whole tour of the island, and I recommend walking around it. It's pretty interesting. Some of the rock formations makes you question what was the history behind that.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do explain it on like a plaque saying it's a natural formation 65,000 years ago. But my question is, how would you know? I know you got all these advanced dating techniques, but you just never know. Yeah, but beautiful island. Definitely come here for that ice cream. And it's so relaxing. off to our next adventure. And today we're going to Okinawa. What a beautiful state Miyazaki is. And I wish we could have stayed maybe another night and really absorb this atmosphere and take one final look at this magical, majestical place. But we're going to warmer scenes and experience Okinawa for the first time. So we'll see you there.